Hi, welcome everyone. Sri Lanka Travel. 14 days round trip, nature and culture with crew of Bubus. Welcome to Sri Lanka. This is the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Ayubowan. First day, airport in Colombo to Ahungalle. We pick up you at the airport and bring you to a charming bread and breakfast in Ahungalle. Second day, turtle hatchery, river safari and fish massage. You can wake up in your own temple, go for a swim or have a nice breakfast in peace. Today you will start the adventures in Sri Lanka with visiting a turtle hatchery in the area as well as going for a fish massage and river safari for your nature. Third day, Alugame, Temple of Kanjavihara, Ayurvedic Pharmacy. We visit a small town of Alugame. You will be able to see an original Ayurvedic pharmacy. After that, we take a stop at the famous Temple of Kanjavihara. Fourth day, cinnamon experience and relax. The whole day until afternoon you have for yourself. Maybe you like to go for a walk in the village, have a sea bath or even a massage. You decide. In the afternoon we drive a few kilometers away to see a cinnamon farm. You will learn how to cinnamon grows, harvest and how the products are made from the tree. Fifth day, Ahungalle, Mass Factory, Gold Fort. You leave Ahungalle. Now travel south to Gold Fort. On the way, here we make a stop in the mask making factory in Ambalangoda. You learn something about the mask culture and the wooden work. After arriving to Gold, you can enjoy the afternoon in this beautiful little port village. Enjoy the restaurants, coffee shops, the boutique and the charm. Sixth day, Gold Fort, Tea Factory, Maharana. After breakfast, you leave for Tissa. On the way, here we will show you a nice tea factory. You can walk around in the area, enjoy a cup of tea, visit the factory and then with a little luck even enjoy tea taste. In this factory, they produce the world famous virgin white tea, the gold of all tea. Seventh day, Yala National Park, Ravana Falls and Le. This morning, you will have to go up very early. You want to be in the park early morning when there is a big chance of seeing the animals. You enjoy some hours in the park. In the park you will drive with the local animal spotters in a game jeep. After lunch you drive towards the little city in a mountain saddle. Eighth day, Little Adams Peak, Nine Arch Bridge, train, Nuwara. This is a good day to bring your camera. Also today you will go up very early for a short hike. At the golden sunlight of the morning you will climb the Little Adams Peak. After that you will see the famous Nine Arch Bridge. Then it is time for the well-known train ride from Ella to Nuwara. Some people say this is the most beautiful train ride in the world. Ninth day, Nuwara, Tea Factory, Kandy. This morning you can sleep out and have breakfast in your temple. We will drive from Nuwara to Kandy. It's also a beautiful ride on the Serpentine Mountain Road. On the way, you will have a stop in a tea factory. After arriving to Kandy, you will have time for the beautiful botanical garden. See the famous Tooth Temple and in the evening visit a cultural show with Kandy dancers. 10th day. Kandy, Dambulla Cow Temple, Sigiriya. This morning you can sleep out and have breakfast when you feel like it. We travel from Kandy to Sigiriya and make a stop in Dambulla. These are the largest cow temples in Sri Lanka with 157 Buddha statues and more than 2,100 square meters of mural paintings in the cows. Since 1991, an UNESCO World Heritage Site and scarred and popular temple. From here you drive to Sigiriya, check into the hotel and enjoy the evening. 11th day. Polonnaruwa Mineriya National Park. This morning, we visit the wonderful area of Polonnaruwa from 1017 to 1235 after the demise of the ancient kingdom of Anuradhapura. Polonnaruwa became the second capital of Sri Lanka. Since 1982, the archaeological park of Polonnaruwa has been UNESCO World Heritage Site. The remains of large steps and temples with numerous Buddha figures and gardens, parks and places make the resort a major attraction of tourism. We have lunch and then continue for a game ride in the Mineriya National Park in the afternoon. In addition to the huge elephant population, the park is an important refuge for many species of birds. We now go back to the same hotel and enjoy all the impressions of the day. 12th day. Sigiriya Rock, Village Tour, Pinnavela, Negombo. You start this morning after breakfast and visit the famous Sigiriya Rock, a monolith on which are the ruins of a historic fortress known as the Lion's Rock. You can make a walk to the top if you feel like, or just enjoy the sight of it. For lunch, you visit a village in the area and experience really homemade food, the old traditional way. On the way to the coast and Negombo, you stop at the elephant orphanage in Pinnavela. 13th day. Negombo Beach Day. Today you can enjoy the beach. Visit the village of Negombo. Take a day trip to Colombo or just read a book and do nothing. You decide. If you feel like having a nice dinner in the evening in Negombo or Colombo, we can help you with reservation and give you a recommendation. 14th day. Time to say goodbye. Today you will fly out from Colombo. We recommend that you arrive at the airport 3 hours before departure. From Negombo, it takes 20 minutes to the airport. We say thank you. We'll come back anytime soon to this beautiful island of Sri Lanka. Come, visit and enjoy. Book now. Email or call Bharat 94775679 Please like us, comment, click bell icon and subscribe. Thank you.